Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 5 and the group members are SAHIRA, NURULAIN, NASUHA, Chanjachi and me, NURULAIN NADHIRAH. Our topic for today's group discussion is plastic use in food service industry. Now, I will start with the introduction. What is plastic? Plastic is a polymeric material that consists of small units called monomer. The combination of monomers will produce polymers with different properties and characteristics. Plastic also have capability of being molded or shaped with help of application of heat and pressure. This property of plasticity often found in combination with other distinct properties such as low density, dielectrical conductivity, transparency, and toughness, therefore allow plastic to be produced into a vast variety of products. These include tough and lightweight beverage bottles made of polyethylene terephthalate, bottle sleeve made of polyvinyl chloride, and insulating food containers made of foam polystyrene. In this food service industry, the use of food containers or hot meals is very usual, either it is for commercial purpose or not. But as a consumer, do people think it is safe or not for them to use plastic as their hot food wrapping? Plastic are classified according to the type of resin used in its manufacture with the three-arrow symbol with the plastic code in it and followed by the abbreviated name of the type of plastic. This symbol is placed on the bottom or on the side of the bottle or on a plastic container. Every single one of plastic is distinct from others since some of them are reusable, while others can also yield dangerous waste after several usage. Some plastics are easily recyclable, while a few of them require more complex and proper method to recycle and dispose without contributing to environmental effect. If you can see on the below is the safe plastic number that starts with 1 for polyethylene terephthalate PETE, 2 for high density polyethylene HDPE, 3 for polyvinyl PVC, 4 for low density polyethylene LDPE, 5 for polypropylene PP, 6 for polystyrene PS, and lastly 7 for polycarbonate PC or other. So the green number, which is 2, 4, 5, reflect it is safe to use, while yellow one, which is 1 and 7, means it can be used with caution. And next, for the red one, which is 3 and 6, it is better to avoid using them. Later, polyethylene terephthalate PETE will be explained by MIRA. High-density polyethylene HDPE will be presented by Jiachi, and lastly, polyvinyl chloride PVC will be discussed by Ain. So now I pass to MIRA for the next presenter.
Thank you, ALIA. My name is MIRA BINTI ISKANDAR with metric number 210285. Now I will explain about type of plastic for cold food use. With label of 1, PETE, short form for polyethylene terephthalate, is a light, transparent plastic that is made to be semi-rigid or rigid. PETE is an impact-resistant plastic which helps protect food or liquid inside the packaging. PETE also chemical resistant. It does not react with water or food, which is one of the reasons it is suitable use for consumable packaging. PETE also an excellent water and moist barrier material which widely used for mineral water and carbonated soft drink packaging. PETE commonly used in packaging of ketchup, salad dressing, vitamins, vegetable oils, and so on. We can see that all the products were packaged in transparent container which made from PETE plastic. Now I will proceed with safety aspect for PETE. PETE does not contain harmful chemicals such as BPA, but does contain a small amount of antimony, which is a heavy metal used as catalyst for PETE production. When the plastic is exposed to heat, antimony leaches out from the plastic. But this situation does not occur commonly because antimony leaches out at temperature of 60 degrees Celsius and above. Standard storing temperature does not reach this temperature. But this can occur if heating the plastic in microwave, which will enhance the antimony to leach out significantly. PETE plastic container was designed as a one-time use only, even though FDA has approved for single-use and reuse. Many manufacturers recommend oil to use it one time. Now, I will pass the presentation to the next person.
Thank you, MIRA. Good day to dear Prof and my friends. I am Chajansi. I would like to present about the plastic recycling number 2, which is high-density polyethylene HDPE. High-density polyethylene is the most common household plastic and the most widely used polyethylene film for food packaging. It is a hard, semi-translucent, least flexible plastic that is lightweight but strong. This making it perfect for applications where it needs to hold its shape. Even though it is light, it is strong enough to carry heavy contents. It is resistant to solvent, mildew, mold, rot, and insects, as well as to corrosion, cracking, and weathering, but it is not resistant to oxidizing acids such as nitric acid and chloric acid. It is highly flammable and non-biodegradable, but it can be easily recycled. It can withstand heating and freezing, so it can be used in various weather conditions. HDPE is commonly used in food packaging for juice and milk jars, yogurt cups, bottles for storing water and vinegar, margarine and butter tubs, and chocolate syrup containers. Next, I will talk about the safety aspect of high-density polyethylene. It is one of the several sources of plastic. It is resistant to most chemical solvents, prevent harsh chemicals from interacting with food and beverages. HDPE is a safe plastic for food contact, as it is approved by Food and Drug Administration (FDA) for 20 years. Since it is corrosion resistant and absorbs a little bit of moisture, it is suitable and safe for storing beverages. HDPE containers also will not transmit chemicals into food or beverages, this making it a low health risk variety. Even though HDPE has been found to leach benzene that may cause cancer, it is still considered safe as the leaching amount of chemicals is very small. It has a high melting point, which is 130 degrees Celsius, making it safe for storing hot food and beverages. It can be considered safe for short periods up to 120 degrees Celsius or for long periods up to 110 degrees Celsius. Since boiling water never gets above 100 degrees Celsius, any hot food and beverages below boiling point is still safe by using the HDPE. Besides, HDPE bottles and containers also are able to withstand colder and freezing temperatures very well, which is about negative 79 degrees Celsius. Overall, HDPE is still considered a plastic that is safe for wrapping or packing food. So that's all from me. I'll pass it to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is NURULAIN binti Muhammad NADZRI, and my entry number is 212066. So I will continue present about type of plastic wrap suitable for cold food, which is polyvinyl chloride or PVC. So this is the resin ID code for PVC, and this is the example picture of PVC. So the element chlorine in the primary ingredient used to make polyvinyl chloride or PVC, a common type of plastic that is biologically and chemically resistant. These two characteristics help PVC container maintain the integrity of the product inside, including food. PVC is thin plastic film used to seal and secure food in container. Food products must be sealed and kept fresh for a longer period of time. Food wrap is available in individual roll or in a pot with cutting edge. Polyvinyl chloride or PVC food wrap is commonly used for catering, breadfruit, vegetable, cheese, and sandwich, and also commonly used for cooked meat. Next is safety aspect for PVC. PVC is safe because no evidence suggests that PVC food wrap is harmful, but it is a good idea to keep the wrap at least 2 centimeters from fruit item. Next is heating standard food plastic wrap in the oven or with other type of direct heat is not recommended. The brand's name wrap may be microwave but not baked in the oven. According to the SAHIRA brand website, food plastic wrap should not be cooked unless the package specifies that it is used safe in the oven or microwave. When heated, untreated plastic wrap can leak toxin and melt. So the advice to the consumer: first, follow manufacturer instruction, especially on the temperature specification and microwave and dishwasher instruction when using plastic food container. Lastly, do not use PVC or unidentified plastic container to hold fatty food or hot food. Use glass, ceramic or stainless steel container instead. That's all for me, and I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
My experience use PET plastic in my daily life is at my home kitchen because PET is plastic widely used as container for food in liquid form and also beverages.
My own experience on using this plastic is when I ordering takeaway hot or cold that direct coffee and other beverages in coffee shop or mama.
Polyvinyl chloride or PVC commonly used for sealing and securing food items in container to keep fresh. From my experience as a food service student, when I go to the kitchen for cooking class, I always use PVC plastic wrap to sealing the food item to keep it fresh.
In conclusion, there are seven types of plastic that is commonly used in food service industry, which is polyethylene terephthalate (PETE) or PET, high-density polyethylene (HDPE), polyvinyl chloride (PVC), low-density polyethylene (LDPE or PELD), polypropylene (PP), polystyrene (PS), and other or polycarbonate (PC). These plastics serve many purposes such as wrapping ingredients, keeping fresh and leftover food uncontaminated, during storage and providing customers a convenient option to take away their meals. On the other hand, some plastic only suitable for either hot or cold food. For instance, polyethylene terephthalate is not suitable for hot food and hot beverage since it will leach out antimony if it gets exposed to 60 degrees Celsius. Not only that, plastic also can contribute to pollution if it is not properly degraded. The mass production of plastic for food service industry is quite inexpensive and convenient, so it can greatly contribute to the pollution if people fail to figure out the best way to dispose properly and reduce the environmental effect. Designing a recyclable, reusable, and biodegradable plastic will be the best option as an alternative to ensure the food packaging is sustainable and easily recycled in the future. That's all from our group. Thank you.